So let's say we have some products to sell and we want to make a payment option available for the customer. We can do that by going over here to the left side under Add, and then you can go all the way down to Store, and let's add a PayPal button. Now we're just going to allow an ad. We're now able to just add a PayPal button over here. We can go to the settings and we can make changes to either make it a donation-based payment or even just a subscription. So in order to connect your account, we go here to settings and then you can click here, connect payment accounts. And then you can type in your PayPal email address here. Additionally, in this section, you can also add a Stripe payment. So Stripe payment will allow you to enable credit card payments. And in order to access this feature, you have to upgrade your plan to at least the starter plan. You can also get offline payments where you give the options to pay you through some other way after the form has been submitted. Now, if you receive a payment, you can send a payment notification here, and you can add your email in to receive a payment notification. Under product, you can customize the font. I could just make it say buy, and then you can add a price if you want. Change the currency. Change the style of the button. And I believe there are some additional features that you get if you upgrade. For example, after payment, I'd like to redirect the customer straight to the product. And I can do this if I get a starter plan. So let's have a look at what the starter plan looks like. So this is the pricing to be able to use the PayPal button on Wix. The starter plan seems adequately affordable at $266 per month. A nice, convenient option to add PayPal to your website.